be a tall girl or a short girl. So guys, can I see, if you think I would rather be a tall girl, comment na halo-halo. I mean, send, can I see like yung virtual gifts na halo-halo. And then, the short girl naman for the lande. Can I see the halo? Can I see guys? Alright, that is correct, of course. I would rather be a tall girl. Kasi, feeling ko kasi guys, I always feel the need to be alone. So like, pag nasa supermarket ako, kailangan kong mag-reach ng mga gamit na ako lang mag-isa. So, mas okay pag matangkad. Thank you, hugs and kisses, for the diamond shower. So, thank you for the diamond. Oh my God. Thank you, guys. Oh my gosh. Alam niyo na to guys, yung team song natin lahat, ito yung national anthem dyan ng mga independent women na mga trip-trip lang. Let's go for it. Okay guys, salamat sa flying kiss. I will flying kiss back to you. Also hugs and kisses. And of course, salamat sa panghalo-halo. Kulawan, I highly appreciate the halo-halo. Ikaw ba, Miss Glenda, what is an empowered woman for you?
Someone who is fearless and ready to conquer her fears, just like me.
She is, if you know her background story, guys, alam niyo na yun. You already know what she's been through and what she is going through. Go, me. Of course, tall girl. Kayo ba guys? Ano mas gusto nyo? Okay, so, can we actually try to reach for 750,000K? Kaya ba natin? Can we go for 750K? Can we reach for 750K for the second Would You Rather question? Shout out naman dyan, guys. Thank you so much, Pink Nana. Thank you.
Pink Nana.
Hello, Pink Nana.
Pink Nana.
Can we go for it? J. Ponce, thank you. Guys, kaya na ba natin ng 750K for the second question?
Pink Nana, shout out.
Can we go for it? Can we go for it? Can we? Gutom ka na?
This is Gamora 9.
Hindi ko nakain yung Can we go for 750K for the second question? Sobrang kaya na natin to, mga Retropa peeps. What are we waiting for? Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Hindi ko na alam yung mga sinasabi ko, guys. Ano ba yung mga masasakit na kanta, Char? Okay. So since for the second question lang, I will make an adjustment.
Nana, thank you.
I think we can reach it to 750K. Push pa natin to, guys. Just like how you push yourself to the problems that you are encountering. To all my women, to all my girlies, to all my ladies, can we do this for the 750K? Ayan, may assistant na din ako dito. Si Tropang Dre. Yes, guys. Let's go. Oh my gosh, ayan na. So we will go for the second Would You Rather question. We can do this. So, the second one is, I want to see what the virtual gifts are. Mabubudol, no? Malakanyang yung unang choice. Charot, joke lang. Okay, so on a usual day out, would I rather wear jeans or a dress? So if you guys think it's sama all if it's a dress, if it's jeans, and then if you think it's a dress, use the Lande virtual gift. Which one do you guys think I wouldn't know? Which one do you think? This tama all. Talaga ba? Sigurado ba kayo dyan sa dress? Totoo ba yan? Sure na ba yan? Thank you, we love Tamara.
Mali kayo, guys.
ikaw, host.
Ako,
Kasi,
host.
wala decision ka?
Yes.
And then, of course, tama kayo, guys. It's actually, for now, medyo girl na tayo. I'm wearing a dress. And of course, I will show you my outfit reveal. I don't know if you've seen this in PBB, but this is actually my favorite outfit because it's very flowy. It's very, this dress has a meaning to, like, my thing. This has a meaning. This has meaning. I don't know if you guys remember, but yeah, this is very flowy. And of course, very comfy. If I want to go a little bit conservative, I can just pull up my skirt. You know? Yun, guys. So, what about... Ba't ka nagka-comment ng lande? It should be the virtual gift. So, guys, feeling ko kaya natin ng 770 for the next question. Yan, Noy? Kaya na ba? Kaya naman natin. I think we can do it. I think we can do it. Aba ko nga. Thank you sa pamalakan niya. Okay, at naman pala. Maraming salamat, mga mare. Grabe guys, I am so grateful for the love in this... Uy, ang cute ng earphones. Eto na guys, so the next question is, on weekends, would you rather Netflix and chill or go on a trip? It's a case-to-case basis. It's a case-to-case basis. Okay. Eto na. So, wait, does he need to stream?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so, I would rather go on a trip. Kasi, Netflix and chill will always be there. But then if it's a trip, I can be spontaneous about it. And you guys are correct. I would really want to go on a trip. Sobrang hilig ako maglakwatsa. Kasi hindi po ako pinapayagan ng nanay ko nang basta-basta. Hindi po. Alam niyo po yon kung nakikita niyo po yung hashtag Tamara bawal lumabas. Feeling ko alam niyo po yun, diba? And of course, favorite local destination. I think it's Siargao. I love everything. Tazi! Thank you for the harana, Tazi! Thank you so much for the harana. What about you guys? What's your favorite local destination or like when you wanna Thank you, Tazi! Where do you guys want to, walk around? Wait lang. I will bring you guys to wherever, Wait lang. Where is... I'm looking for someone. Who's that? Zach. Hello? Wait lang. Hindi pa eh. Zach. Mamaya na lang. Hindi kasi magsistream na daw siya. Ayan na guys. Eto na. Tita, magsistream na daw po si Zach. Oo. Magpa-5 na.
Zach, magkano ka na raw?
Ito ako. Siyempre mag-adjust tayo guys kasi siyempre gagamitin to. Of course, why Siargao? Because I feel like Siargao is a place to... Siargao is a place to be. It's a very... Oh my gosh, I will stream here. I will stream here. I have no choice. And I will be here, guys. I will be standing here in front of you. Hello. Okay lang ba? Okay, guys, here is why Siargao, because I think Siargao is a really nice place. Sobrang, I really love to go to the beach because I feel like it's the time to unwind and to disconnect yourself with social media. And of course, besides the bad signal, parang it's really the time to reconnect with your friends. And of course, I love to surf. So that is the reason why I really want to go to Siargao. And of course, maraming salamat. When were you last there? When was I last there? Matagal na. I was still younger. And imagine guys, I was still young at that time. Sobrang bata ko pa rin, pero naalala ko pa. Yung time na, the first time I went to Siargao, because it wasn't hype when I was there. I remember I went to Cloud9. It wasn't really fully developed. It was just a bridge, and there weren't a lot of locals yet. Sobrang ghost town ng Siargao, as in super that time. And of course, when will I go there again? It depends. I'm actually thinking of going to Siargao on the time na, it's okay. I'm actually thinking of
Nag-charger ka?
going to Siargao on the time na, I'm actually thinking of going to Siargao on the time na everything is gonna be okay. Siguro when I feel like I deserve to have a break already, that's when the time that I'll go there for sure. And I wanted this time around pag kasama na parents ko. I actually wanted to go there on my birthday, but I feel like it's not yet the perfect time knowing the situation itself. So, we are going to do you still have any questions, guys? I can answer any questions right now. Yes, guys, road to 1 million. We can do this so much. Uy, thank you. Thank you po Kainis. So, ayun guys, mayroong madaming bully dito. Hindi lang po yung mga nasa comment section, pero nandito din po. Kasama ko yung isang tropa ko. San po kayo nag... Guys, do you have any questions about women in...
Guys, lipat kayo sa live ko. Magla-live kami mamaya 5:30.
Ayan guys, magla-live si Huy, wag niyo muna akong iwan. Dito muna kayo. Alam kong mahal na mahal niyo si Zach. Pero guys, women empowerment. Unahin niyo naman ako. Sana naman ako this time yung mapipili, no? Alam niyo yung kwento. How to be confident. To be honest, it actually varies on the person itself kasi we all have our own differences when it comes to coping mechanisms and like what we can do to recover, especially when we feel like we're doubting ourselves, when we feel unworthy of how we are as a person. But of course, if you feel like, I always try to remember this, when I feel unworthy of myself, who will love me better if ako lang yan, diba? Parang wala na akong ibang maiisip na na magmamahal sa akin kundi sarili ko. So if I doubt myself, if I put myself down even more, it's not gonna do me any good. And that's one of the things that you guys should remember and keep inside your head. Guys, kaya sobrang uso yung self-love ngayong 2022. You do not need anyone but yourself. And of course, see God. And always don't forget to pray. How do you manage having boy na friends? Wala, parang kasi before when I was younger, I was really, it's not the, I don't want to use the term boyish, but sobrang hilig ako sa yung mga kapitbahay kasi I play with my guy friends more. And my closest cousin also before when I was younger, it was a boy. So I think that says a lot about nahihiya ako kumanta dito. Kasi wala tayo sa bahay natin. And of course, diba, sobrang saya na. Iba-iba tayo ng choices. But ang mahalaga, guys, we are happy with our choices. And of course, don't forget to remember, as long as we are not stepping on other people, and it's what we think more about ourselves. Thank you so much for the Communiverse. Huwag tayong basta-basta nga ayon lang, mga Mari Cakes. Let's stick to what really makes us happy. And let's all be game for every adventure. Because in every adventure that we make or we go through, there are a lot of learning points. You guys have to keep that in mind. Agree ba kayo dyan? Grabe, ang dami kong ano, no? And of course, speaking of adventure, etong Slay campaign, it's isa to sa mga adventures na gusto kong ma-experience. I want, kung naniniwala naman kayo na deserving din ako, you can you can vote 3 ways, or you can support me in 3 ways. The first one is through Facebook guys. You can go through Facebook, the Star Magic page, and then you can send me stars through my videos there. And of course, go lang. And of course, say hi. Say hi. I love the Star Magic people. And of course, ayun na guys. Second one is through Kumu. I'll be streaming here every Tuesday ng 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Yes, guys, you heard it right. Every Tuesday from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. And lastly is through KTX. Imagine, guys, 99 pesos nyo, makakatulong na sa 5,000 votes, guys. Let's go for this. And paabutin na lang natin ang 1 million kaya naman natin mag 1 million diamonds, diba? Para ma-unlock na natin ang ating unang challenge.
Hello guys, napurlapit na niyan.
Uy, ba't mo kinakain yun? Props ko yan.
Ay, props mo ba to? Nakikikain ako.
Hindi, wag mo.
Guys,
Wait, I have a question for you.
What?
What do you think who do you think is an empowered woman to you? Like an example. Because Zach said a while ago it was his mom. What about you?
Of course, my mom also, and I think Tamara din. Kasi she is super strong and super dami na experience na bash right now, but she can handle it in the right way.
Yes, of course. We just need to spread the positivity. You know, there are so many bad things that are happening in the world right now, and I cannot dare to imagine to even add up to the negativity. Agree ba kayo dyan, guys? That's why we should all share the love and the support to each other, because we're all friends here. At the end of the day, tayo pa rin magsasuffer whatever it is that's yung mga actions natin. We will definitely pay for the consequences. That's why, guys, spread the positivity and the love. Am I right?
Yes, that's right. Yeah, guys, alam ko palaban kayo, kaya ilaban natin ang 1M.
Ilaban na natin ang 1 million dayas.
Let's go. Kasi super konti na lang to, guys. So,
sobrang kaya na yan.
super laking tulong ito kay Tamara. This time, sana mapanalo natin si Tamara because she deserved the best.
Why do you think I deserve?
Because...
I have a question for you.
What?
Ay, nasagot mo ni. Am I empowered to you?
Yes, of course. Kasi nga, super dami niyang experience ngayon ng bullying and she can handle it na sa sarili niya, and I know na hindi siya susuko na maapektuhan sa mga taong nambabash sa kanya.
Yes, and how do you handle bashing? I would lie if I said I'm not hurt, because I do get hurt. But also, I mean, it says more about them, not me, because I know
that's true.
I'm not doing anything, and I'm just having fun, and my gosh.
Yes, happy 1M, guys! Happy 1M! Happy 1M!
Thank you, guys!
Happy 1M, guys!
Grabe talaga sa 1 million.
Yes, super thank you guys because tama kayo ng taong sinusuportahan. Si Tamara ay super bait na tao. At promise guys, hindi kayo nagkamali ng sinusupport. Kaya keep supporting Tamara sa kanyang campaign na Slay. Iboto nyo na siya guys sa lahat ng platform because she deserve it. Let's go for magazine ni Tamara guys. I'm looking forward na makita siya sa magazine.
And of course, guys, as promised, hindi kasi ako promise breaker eh. Hindi ako nang iiwan sa ere.
Oh.
Todong suporta ako kahit, alam niyo yun, alam niyo na yung mga kwento, mga wara, kaya. But anyways, guys, as promised, I will be doing the first unlockable challenge. This is the I Want My Cookie challenge. And therefore, wala tayong biscuit or cookie. Kaya we will stick with the hardest part. This is harder. Actually, this is more challenging more than the cookie. I think this is banana chips. I just bought this kanina.
Yeah, but
This is...
Ay,
Ah!
sweet potato.
I want my chips na pala. It's the kamote chips, my mama dude. It's the kamote chips. That's right, everyone. I will get I want my kamote chips. And of course, guys, with the Tita Let, you wanna say hi to the people? Yeah, hindi, tita, dali na. It's just a hi. Oh, she's too shy. Tita, you look good. You don't look tired. No, it's good. Say hi to everyone. Hi. Hello. Ayan, guys, that's Tita Let. Yun yung sabi ni Zach kanina na ang empowered woman sa kanya ay ang kanyang mother because of the amount of support and the sacrifices that she has made. So anyways, guys, ito na nga ang unlockable
Hindi po, okay na po
cookie
water na.
challenge.
Thank you po.
I'll only have 3 attempts for this, and if I fail, para masaya pa rin, I will answer 3 wild or 3 delikadong questions from you, no matter how difficult or controversial they may be. Lalaban ako dyan. Okay, guys, are you ready? Okay, attempt number 1. Ganito ba? Am I doing it right? Alam mo ba ito, Dre?
Yeah.
Wait. Wait. Oh my gosh, grabe.
Kasama ni Glenda naghanap ng ano?
Yung driver po, tita.
Nag-invite sa inyo sa hotel
Saan po?
sa siesta. Ganda din doon.
Ala. I failed the first one. Okay. So, thank you, Tita Let. I failed the first challenge, guys. Let's go for the second one. Mare, paano? Ano daw? Mare, paano muna mag-log? Ay, nag-log ba ako? Okay, wait. Let's go for the second one. Okay, let's go for it.
Hello. Oh.
Careful lang, nakalit. Ay! Malapit na. Wait lang.
Pero sabi ni
Baka kasi makamura ako. That's why I mute, okay? Wait. Let's go for the second attempt. This is the second attempt, guys. Ulo! Counted na ba yun? Wala na ba yun?
Hindi ko mo na yan.
Hala, talaga ba? Okay. Alright, guys. Let's go for the 3 wild questions that answer 3 questions. Okay. Of course, guys, don't forget to keep it wholesome in a way. Ano yung mga delikado niyong tanong? Can I see the delikado niyong tanong?
Wala na yun. Kunin mo na yan. Malapit ang bayan.
Okay, the first question is, are you in are you in Baler? Okay. Grabe naman yan, matang nyo. Parang ngayon ko nang sagutin. Obvious naman eh. But yes, I am currently in Baler. Baler. Yan na guys, nasagot ko na siya. Okay, for the second question. The second question? Do I have a second question? Okay. How to be confident. First is for me, Richard Wan also advised this to me before. Sabi niya, I have to know what my strengths are and I have to focus on those strengths. And the second one is to know what my weaknesses are. And with those weaknesses, I have to identify which one is something that I need to work on. Like yung pinaka mabigat. So I can improve myself better. So ayun guys, you have to know what your strengths are, focus on that one, and at the same time don't forget to focus on give a little bit of hinge on the or look at the bad stuff or like the weakness also. And for the second question, yung taong mas mahal mo o mas mahal ka, sino ang pipiliin mo? Mga tanong nyo. Diyos ko. For once in my life, I would like to be selfish this time around. And I would like to choose the person who... What do you think my answer is? Uy, what may mga of course, I will choose. Can I get a one Lande virtual gift done? Can somebody drop one Lande virtual gift so I can say my answer? Oh, that's a newbie loves you. Okay, thank you, Pink Nano. It's actually, I think it's still the person mas mahal ko. I think it's still that one. I biglang nag-buffer, but I would still choose the person that I love.
Ang tanong, sino ba dito yung love mo?
Oh my God! Sino? Uy, grabe! Sino ang mahal mo ngayon? Describe him. He's very hardworking and also quiet and very close to my heart. That's all I can say. How do I describe him more? He was away from me. And what else? Do I I will make this hard for you guys. And of course, he's helped me also through my life's journey and becoming the woman that I am today. So, yes, that is my description of the person that I love. And dahil dyan, if you want to know more about it, you can ask me again on my next stream and you can know more. That's all I can say as of the moment. And of course, after that fun game, kwentuhan muna tayo ulit. This is Kiss Me Through the Screen. So, sobrang simple lang to guys. It's actually just two truths and one lie. Alam ko, alam nyo yan. So, I'll mention 3 statements and then huhulaan nyo kung alin doon ang lie. If you identify the lie correctly, you'd get a kiss on the screen. My gosh. A kiss on the screen.
Yes, kiss me. Send kiss me.
May kiss me virtual gift ba? O yun. Can you drop a little bit of sample? Paano ka sumampal ng kiss, Drake? Ako hanggat ganun lang. Pangit. Parang ayaw ata nilang magkakaroon ng ano. Okay guys. Game na ba kayo? Game na ba ang mundo? Game na ba ang community dyan? Yes. Is that a yes? I don't feel the energy. I feel like I need my ladies and my people to be more maingay down there.
Thank you, Pink
Nana,
Nana.
for the community teams. Parang kulang na lang magkaroon tayo ng virtual gift ng Cream Lime
Kaya nga
Bodies.
Cream Lime Bodies. Solid nga tayo doon. Erjam.
Of course. So, tropa-tropa lang at dahil dyan, ipapatugtog natin ang trip, trip, trip lang. Okay guys, eto na, balik na. So statement number 1, the first statement that I'll be saying, if you guys think that is the lie, you have to drop Ako Lang Kabayo virtual gift. And the second one is election virtual gift, the favorite of Miss Isabel Lauku. And then the third one is send a congratulations. So, ayun guys. So the first statement that I'll be saying, if you think that is the bakak or the lie, it's a pulang kabayo. The second statement is lechon, and then the third one is congratulations. So, unang statement. Natae ako, lagi akong natatae sa panty ko nung grade school ako. I used to. Sorry. Ayan na. Lagi ako napagbibintangan na nagpupup ako dati sa panty ko. So, sa classroom, umaamoy yan. Alam niyo na yan. Number 2. May amoy putok po ako dati nung high school po ako. Tapos, no. Oh my God, hindi nakakaslay to. Number 3. Sobrang kinis ng kilikili ko na ngayon. Wala na akong maisip. But yes, guys. So the first one is I would always poop in my undies when I was in grade school. The second one is I had bad odor. Amoy putok back in high school. And the third one is I have like a refreshing, you know.
Hulaan nyo na, guys.
So, guys, if you think the first statement is a lie, drop Ako Lang Kabayo. And then the second one is actually lechon.
Yan.
And then the third one is congratulations. So, alin doon sa tatlong statements sa tingin nyo ay
Tama.
sinungaling? Hindi,
Tama rin,
sinungaling.
sinungaling.
Or in Bisaya pa, it's bakak. Okay.
Alam ko, guys. Sagutin nyo na. Number. Kadalasan nag-send yung
Okay, let's go, guys.
Guys, mali. Send other gift. Send other gift.
And the statement that is a lie is actually statement number, drumroll Andre. Statement 1.
Kala ko
Let's
3.
go. Ha?
Kala ko 3.
Hindi, may amoy putok ako dati nung high school eh.
Hindi. Ano
Hindi mo na nag-ano dati.
Ano gawan mo?
Ayun guys, but
Ano
just
po?
because guys, alam nyo kahit na that was a learning point for me.
Meron ka nakwento talaga, nagpapag ka.
Hindi, wala akong panira to. Guys,
So,
panira to. Guys, dati talaga I really had with those things those are the negatives between me physically, lalo na alin ang lie, the first one, the pupo everywhere back when I was in grade school, because before I used to have like a lot of thingamajigs. Of course, that I was motivated to become better and then to work on it, Nag-try ako ng kalamansi, ng tabas, yung mga ganong mga ganap. And let kids be kids, and of course, correct them nicely and empower them. That's right, guys. Let kids be kids and correct them nicely. And then right after that, empower them. That's what my mom did to me. Hindi niya ako pinahiya. she actually told me in a way that would help me become better. And that is something that you guys have to learn. Am I noisy? Oh my gosh, wait lang. Dito, wait lang. Wait lang!
Siyempre ako din, may surprise.
Say hi, guys!
Hi guys!
OMG, Zach, are you back in Manila?
Andito po sila ngayon sa Baler. Dinalaw nila ako. Sige lang na po na sila.
So, ayun na guys. Let's go to our focus because Zach will be going live in a bit. And the round 2. Okay, let's go for the second one. I'm thinking of it. I used to fail a lot in class before. I was an honor student all my years, all my educational years, and then the third one. I know you guys can relate to this, lalo na sa mga nagmo-module dyan, yung mga nagpupuyat na nanood ng live ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong support. But of course, I would like to tell you guys that unahin niyo muna modules nyo and your studies as well. Just because you failed, it's a room for improvement for you because nobody is really perfect. So you just have to keep on going. You can be smart and intelligent somewhere else. And of course, empower yourself to excel in other fields kahit beyond ACAD. So, just because I used to say this before with my sister, because my sister is really super smart and I perform better in the arts. But of course, medyo okay naman ako sa science. I was doing well in sciences. But regardless, I would compare myself to my sister and I would tell myself na, hala, bakit my sister is doing so well in this and that? But then my mom would remind me and tell me na, wait, teka, you have to know that being smart doesn't only have to mean in ACADS. But you can excel through singing or sports. There are a lot of different types of smart. And guys, you have to remember that there's always room for improvement. You guys have to keep on going. Guys, hard work beats talent also. Mention okay. Tamara as a girlfriend for this category. Malakas toyoin si Tamara. That's the first statement. Sobrang mahiyain PDA si Tamara. And then the third one, Tamara is very showy in public. Which one do you think is a lie? If you think it's the first statement, please do send the pulang kabayo. And the second one is lechon. And lastly, it's the congratulations virtual gifts. So, alin doon, guys? I wanna see. Okay, may nagsenda ng congratulations. So, the first one is malakas tuyuin si Tamara. Number 2, mahiyain mag-PDA si Tamara. Number 3, Tamara is very showy. So, is it a pulang kabayo? Or is it a lechon? Or is it a congratulations? Which one do you think? Okay, guys. So, tama yan. Congratulations is actually, I am not a showy girlfriend. I am very shy. I've only had one relationship, but yeah, I'm very mahihain. I may look like I'm very loud and all over the place, but I really am a shy person when it comes to like lovey-dovey. And of course, guys, see, ang saya talaga ng balikan yung mga stories and like characteristics of how I was before, because it only proves that we are all different in so many ways. We are so unique in so many different ways, and don't ever compare yourself to your friend or your family, because may iba-iba tayo kind of magic within ourselves, and that's what makes us who we are. And of course, iisa lang ang goal natin, which is to mold us to become the best versions of ourselves. If not best, better versions of ourselves. So don't be hard on yourself. Just keep on going, whatever it is that you're going through. And of course, continue to slay in your everyday life, guys. And of course, you can make me slay better just by sending virtual gifts in this live stream, during this live stream. And of course, send me stars to Facebook. And of course, you can also vote in KTX. So, ayun guys. Uulitin ko lang. Alam kong napapagod na kayong marinig ito. But you can support me in the Slay campaign by 3 ways, 3 methods. O, diba? Talo natin. Parang sa mga nagre-research dyan, alam nyo to. Tatlong trial and error. But anyways, the first one is voting through KTX. You can, 99 pesos guys, 99 pesos is equivalent to 5,000 points. So you can vote me through there. And the second one is you can vote me through Facebook, Star Magic page Facebook by clicking onto my video and send me stars. And of course, lastly, every time I stream here on every time I stream here on the Star Magic page, you can support me here, guys. Always remember that one. I'll be streaming every Tuesday from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Grabe, guys, the amount of support that I'm getting for today. I love you. I love you all. I love you all. Ano daw? So, anyways, dahil sa generosity nyo, we now have reached, let me check the diet. Wow. 1.68 million diets, and of course, hello to all the 600 viewers. Let's all share the love, no bashing, and continue to slay, guys. And of course, how does this work for you, if I may ask? Like, so this is the next one that we're going to do. It's actually a do or strip. Are you ready for that game? I thought I was already okay na. That's our next unlockable pala. That's our next unlockable, guys. It's do or stick. My goodness. Are you guys ready for that one? Because I think I'm not. Are you guys ready? So, the mechanics of this game is lilipat tayo. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Hello dog. Okay guys, we are going here halang outside. Hello doggy. So we can play the doors because everybody's inside and I'm too shy. The do or strip game. So that's what we are going to be doing. So are you guys ready to do the do or strip game? Can I get a heart emoji? Can I feel the love to the heart emoji? Ano name na to? Huh? Callie. Is he nice? Does he bite? Callie. Oh. Huh? I think he's outside. Mare hanggang 5. So, of course, guys, hindi naman tayo tapos pa. We are gonna be doing the do or strip game. Are you guys ready? Grabe. I feel the heat. Do you feel the heat? Can you see it on my face? Because I also see it in myself. Yes, guys, 5:30. So, this is actually the thing. Whew. Okay, so we are gonna do the dare. So here's the thing. Hello, Gawi. So how does this work? Our team has prepared dares for me. And I just have to do each dare successfully, or else, kung hindi ako naging successful dito sa dare na to, I would have to strip something off from my alam niya na, from everything that is here, present right now. Hello, Gawi. So, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready for the do or strip games? Are you, ba't yun sinasabi? Okay, so, here's the first one. We are gonna do a tongue twister. So the tongue twister is this. Okay, let me just read it for the first time. Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of butter will make my batter bitter. So 'twas better Betty Butter bought a bit of better butter. Did I do it right? Hi! Oh my god, I love dogs. I get distracted easily pag may mga aso. So, do I have to do it again? I think I have to do it again. So here it goes. So, Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of better butter will make my batter better. So 'twas better Betty Butter bought a bit of better butter. Ayun guys. So, there it is. There it is. So, the next dare for the 1.7 dias that I will be doing. Parang gusto nyo na ata akong palasin dito. Thank you so much for the support and the love, guys. Despite everything, I highly appreciate everything. Okay, show us your very recent photo on your camera roll. And tell the story behind it. Oh my god! Hala! Wait lang. Whoa! I was not ready for this one. No cheating. Okay. Alright. Hala. Wait. How do I open it here? Kasi I know that 1 point. Okay, guys, let's go for 1.7 diamonds, and I will reveal. No cheating talaga. I'll show it to you. I'll show it to you guys. Ay nako, ba't ganito? Hoy! Wag yung, okay, there's 1.7. Okay, I'll just take a screenshot. I'm really not gonna cheat. I'm gonna show you guys. How will I do this? Kasi nandito kasi sa hindi nag-load sa laptop. Okay, wait. I'll take a photo through the photo booth here para makita nyo yung thing. Wait lang. Okay. So, here it is, mga mare. It's really that one. I won't... Yee. Can we go for 1.8? Wait lang, ito na. Grabe. Can we go for 1.8? Can we? I think we can. Ay, charot, 1.08. Can we go for 1.08, guys? Can we? I feel like we can. I'm ready to reveal. Uy, walang magre-record. Loko. So, tungkol sa yung picture, this photo was taken a while ago. That's why it was during the activity kanina. Tapos, ayun na yun. Like, describe. I think it's the person is wearing a big smile on his face. A genuine smile. Okay, there it is. 1.81. Ayan na. Ay! So there it is. Okay. We are down for the 1.81 dias that we are doing. Wait lang. Wait lang. Eto na. Okay. Ayan. Kita nyo na. Wala nang kuko yun. So, ayun na yun. So, the besties of the year, the supporting Kineme with the Creamline buddies. Okay, so we are going to do a what's in your... Huh? Hindi kayo lugi. Paano kayo naging lugi? You guys are not lugi. Wallpaper reveal for 1.09. Okay, let's go. Wallpaper reveal daw. Yung wallpaper reveal ba? Hello, Gary. Let's go for 1.9 for the wallpaper. Hello. Ate ni, Ate Andrea ba? Meaning nun? Dog reveal na lang, guys. Oh, wait. This is Gawi. Hello, Gawi. You are now streaming in the Star Magic page right now. So cute. Makagigil, oy. Okay. Here's another question. Are you a pet lover? If you guys think I'm a pet lover, drop, pulang kabayo. Can I get a pulang kabayo? Please. A red horse. I'm sorry for buduling. Yes, Rocio. Thank you, Rocio, for that one. Yes, I am actually a pet lover, you guys. I super love pets. I love chickens. I wanted to have a pet chicken before. And also, I used to cry when I was younger kasi gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng baby chick. And dati, mahilig ako sa yung parang kuwari, yung maya-maya na hulog dati. Tapos nilalagay ko siya sa box. Uy, grabe naman yun. What's your first pet? My first pet was a bird. A colorful bird. I had a colorful, that was my first pet. Thank you po, Ate Andrea ba? Thank you po. Do you have pets now? Yes, I do have pets now. I have one chow chow. I have a chow chow as of the moment. And I also have an Aspen, but he's part corgi. So next dare. Next dare is for 1.9 million. I will show you a picture of my nene days. I am ready for this one. Wala, feeling ko kumalat na eh. Can I get the no? Can I get a 1.9 million for a picture of my nene days? $1.09 pala, sorry. 1.09, guys. Can I get the 1.09 million? Well, parang nagano lang. 1.09 million for my nanny days na picture. Hello, wala na nag-move. Hello, Ate Nisa. Wait lang, ba't naglalog? Hala siya. Ate Andrea, is that you? Are you there? Oh, wait. Oh, no. I don't know if, ano. Am I right? Hello to my... Hello, guys. Overtime na daw. Hello. Okay, guys. Hello to my Tamara. 1.09 for the nene photo. Guys, pinakadugyot ko to na picture, promise. Are you guys ready to see? Okay, we will reveal our dugyot picture. Ako ang pinaka-hugawan na picture when I was younger. Wait, let's post the most ridiculous one. I have a picture here before. I had a video before that I was doing this to my kilikili and it's not so bad and I had this reaction na. I did this. Okay, here is my nana picture. Are you ready? Can I just get one pulang kabayo? One pulang kabayo. For the reveal. Just one more. What? Joke lang, abusada. Okay, here. Why isn't turning? I don't know if it's turning, guys. But it's that one. That's my nene picture before, when I was still a kid. So, there we have it. Oh my gosh, wait. So, okay lang po, tita. Okay, stories of... Yes, okay, so the story of that photo, that was actually the time when we were in a family Christmas party. Oh my God, I look so tired already. But yes, nasa family Christmas party kami na to. Actually, nag-away kaming tatlo ng mom ko. I was in between the both of my sister and my mom because they were bickering the whole entire time. And if I reveal the picture of my mom's face there, she looks really unhappy. And my sister's like, alam mo yung pilit na picture na parang, picture anak. Ganon. Yes, guys. So that is the story of the photo, my friends. The dugyot picture that I have. And this too. Okay, so this photo was also the time that I felt most insecure. Because I remember, I think I was grade 5 here. And that was the first time I remember the brand where I bought the shorts that I was wearing here. Because that was the first time that was the first time that I wore shorts and I bought shorts for myself. I was the one who chose. And of course the slippers because I really wanted to express myself. I think this was me slowly turning into learning how to express myself and what I want to wear because I was inspired before with the Cheetah Girls pero hindi ko siya pinapanood. I mean, hindi ko siya ma-express masyado kasi syempre their clothes are not the usual. But here, I started wearing shorts. They would tease me na mukha daw breadsticks yung legs ko or pat-patin dati. But anyways, this was the time that I really flaunted it also. And my mom had my mom wore shorts also, so I took inspiration to her when it comes to wearing these kinds of clothes. So ayun guys, that's the story. Do you have plans on joining national pageants? Soon, but maybe not now because I'm still so young. I'm still a kid. So, what would I like to tell the awkward, insecure Tamara back then? I would like to tell her that I understand where your frustrations are coming from because I know you want to become the best version of yourself and you always want to look good and feel confident, but it's definitely a work in progress. It's not an overnight thing where you just wake up, you just sleep the next night and then wake up the next morning. And to tell yourself you can actually do it. You don't have to beat yourself up for who you are and what you have, and you have to learn to love yourself because nobody else will. And you have to take it baby steps, step by step. So, I hope you guys can relate to this also. If I have any youngsters who's watching the stream right now, if you guys are going through a crisis where you're comparing yourself to other women about how you look, always remember that we are all unique and beautiful in our own ways. And don't beat yourself up. If you think you look crappy, that's okay. Learn to embrace yourself. And the next day, you will slowly rise above that adversity that you're going through and yung mga kahirapan na nakikita nyo. I still am battling it right now. I'm still going through it. No. I think you guys can see that lalong-lalo na if like a lot of people are dictating who you are. Which shouldn't be the case because if there's anybody in the room that knows you better, it should be yourself. Because at the end of the day, you have yourself and you have God. So, last text message or chat reveal. Hala. Agoy. So, yee. Bakit ganun? Uy, wala nang well, it's not something naman, spicy. Or there's nothing really about it. Okay. So, are you guys ready for this one? Ready na ba kayo? Are you guys ready for this next one? This next revelation of my last conversation or my last text message? Can we go for 1.1 million this time? I think my kumares and my retropa pits and my mga insights and my sparkles can do this also. And thank you, Blast 214 for the chocolate pills. Okay, alright. Ayan na. Reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, walang daya to guys ha. As in super walang daya. I can open it here through my laptop. Ayan na. Ay! I can't. Wait. It says here, wait, how do I backflip? Ayan. Auto load. Ay! Nakita yung date. Wait lang. Yun kasing lumabas. Wait no. Okay. Huwag mo kaming niloloko. Magkano ang load? Bakit ka nagpa-load? 30 pesos kasi may hindi talaga ako nagpapaload guys kung wala akong basta yun 30 lamang. Oo, go only 30. Sobrang sulit nun guys. Pero kasi basta ayun. Okay na ba yun? Is my magic person already okay with that? Okay. So anyways guys, huwag mo kami dinadog show. Dinadog show niyo ako, kaya deserve niyo diba dog show mga day. Anyways, thank you so much for the gifters, sa mga encouragement, sa bawat dare. Thank you, Ezekiel, sa bawat dare na you guys stayed here. And of course, as individuals, we're entitled to our own boundaries, pero dapat matuto tayong i-embrace at mahalin yung mga imperfections and the flaws that we are going through. And of course, the insecurities that we have is what makes us stronger, and we learn to love we learn to love ourselves even better when it comes to those cases na when you learn to embrace whatever it is that's making you feel insecure. And of course, they make us authentic. Don't forget about that one. And in times like this, biglaan lang ang dare. So, wala tayong dapat itago. Dapat magpapakatotoo lamang tayo. Sobra ata yung pagkakatotoo po today, guys. And let's be proud of our awkward past and present imperfections and the present hurdles that we're going through. Dahil doon tayo mamahalin ng tao. That's when you'll get to know who really loves you genuinely. And of course, doon din natin malalaman at you will learn to love yourselves even better. So, back to our getting to know. Back to our getting to know you muna tayo, guys. Kung tatanungin ko kayo ngayon, ano ang soundtrack ng buhay niyo? What is the soundtrack of your life right now? Ano ang kanta ang unang pumapasok sa heads niyo as of the moment? Like, which one can you relate it to? You're still the one, bawat taan. I choose you. Wow, sana all I choose you. Oh my gosh. So, may mga linya sa bawat kantang yan. Sa pulang pinagdaanan nyo ngayon. For sure. Have you guys tried repeating or reposting those lyrics? Alam nyo to. Sobrang ginagawa ko to all the time. Do you actually repost those lyrics or gusto nyong isigaw sa universe pero you express it in a song instead and then kuwari, titingnan niya yung story mo pero akala mo titingnan niya pero hindi talaga. Ayun yun guys. Yan ang gagawin natin right now. Dito sa My Song, My Sorry. So, simple lamang ang kailangan ng gawin natin. I'll just mention a few lines from the soundtrack of my life right now. And I will deliver it as heartfelt as I can. At paunahan na lang kayo makahula kung anong kanta ang tinutukoy ko. Are you guys game for that? Are you guys for that? Wait lang. Baka malulubat ako. Wait. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna die.
Ang matalino.
Yung ganong itsura ba sa nakikita mo yung hero? Yung ganong yung nakatalino.
Mukha siyang si Kuya Robby, mukhang matalino sa amin.
I'm just getting my backpack because my phone's dying. Oh no! Hala! My phone will really die. My goodness. Okay. I don't have a... But, here is the song inside my head right now. My goodness. Okay. Okay. If you keep reaching out, then I'll keep coming back. And if you're gone for good, I'm okay with that. If you leave the light on, I will leave the light on. Light on. Light on. Ayan lang guys. So, hanggat doon na lang. Hello. Oh my God. I only have a few percent left. Wait. Okay, let's go 3%. Okay, so anong review? It's actually Light On by Maggie Rogers. And that song is not necessarily about a person, but it just says a lot about your situation, whatever it is that you're going through, the circumstance. Because right now I feel overwhelmed with everything, and at the same time I feel very scared of like the people saying negative stuff. Most especially when you have pure intentions. But of course, I wouldn't want to be stuck in that boundary. Like I want to just keep on going and then look back and then okay, I'm facing that right now. So I'll just keep on moving on. And of course, at the end of the day, I'm still happy with everything that's happening. Kaya nawala sa mga underlying meaning. So, next soundtrack na naman ito is very special to me dahil ito yung go-to song ko when I am broken. Say the lines from the song. Okay. Are you guys ready? Oh my God. But anyways, kahit tayo magkabigan lang, bumabalik lahat sa tuwing nagkukulitan. Baka sakali lang maisip mo naman, ako'y nandito lang, hindi mo lang alam. Matalino ka naman kung ikaw at ako ay bigo. Sa laro na ito ay dapat pang sumuko. So guess the title, guys. Okay. Can I see those comments coming? Ooh. Oh. Can I see? May I see? I really want to see what parang alam nyo to. Siguro with this song, ang dami talagang nakaka-relate dito. Kayo ba? Nakaka-relate din ba kayo? Press 1 if you guys can relate to this song too. Okay. Ay, grabe pala. So, with that said, I will sing this song for you guys. So, di mo lang alam, naiisip kita, baka sakali lang naisip mo ako. Di mo lang alam, hanggang sa gabi, inaasang makita kang muli. Natapos ang lahat sa di inaasahan. Okay, hanggat doon na lang. And with that said, I will try to sing the complete song if you come visit me on my next stream here on the Star Magic Philippines account here on Kumu. So guys, the last soundtrack is also very close to my heart because I feel it's so empowered and inspired whenever I hear the song. Here it is. Okay. Do you guys, eto. Oh, I face my sins, and I wish it was easy. Now I fall asleep with the light on, but still without you. So I'll make amends, and I buy myself flowers. And when they die, I'll be happy that they got me through. Alam niyo to, guys. I know that you guys know this. Oh, I think somebody got it right. Okay, 2 lines, okay. Oh, I face my sins, and I wish it was easy. Oh, there it is. So what do you think the song is? I think somebody got it correctly already. And whenever I hear the song, here it is from the Song of Your Life. That is... Uy, grabe naman yung lights off. It's I Love You by Hailey Steinfeld? Steinfeld. So yes, it's a song about enjoying your own company and realizing that you need to take a step back with all the connections or like the love relationships, whatever relationship it is, because you realize your sense of worth. So whenever we feel down, there's always something we can do somewhere. And with that, we could go to make us feel better. No, it's okay. Okay lang po. Okay lang. Thank you, Tita. May it be your inspirational song or a book or a short walk outside. So a moment with our loved ones also that can change a lot. Or maybe with our pets din, diba? So just never stay in the dark place for a long time. It's okay not to be okay. It's okay to mope around and embrace your grieving phase. It's okay to feel sad. But then what's important is that you try to think of your next step to make yourself into a better person, and you will be ready to slay. And of course, it will all get better in time. That's one of the things that you guys have to also remember. So embrace the moment right now, and of course, live life to the fullest. And I would also like to invite you guys with this Slay campaign to have a solo feature in this magazine that I have been praying for na sana talaga mapasa akin talaga to. Kahit naman ito mapasa akin na lang. Ito, sobrang magiging okay na ako dito. And of course, you can support me through 3 ways. The first one here is you can visit me here on Kumu during my streams on the Star Magic Philippines account here on Kumu by sending me virtual gifts. Maraming salamat sa paibang Adarna Bless 214. And the second one is actually going on Facebook on the Star Magic page and by sending me stars. And lastly, you can go to ktx.ph and go to fan engagement, and then you'll see Slay right there. Guys, 99 pesos for 5,000 points. That's it, you guys. Eto na yun. This is what we are doing for. Thank you, Ate Dea. Hello, Ate Dea. And of course, now, guys, grabe. It was a fun-filled afternoon. I don't think it was a sexy afternoon. It was more of like a chill afternoon, soaking up the sun, we're just talking about, and we're just chill. And of course, time really flies so fast. So more than 2 hours na tayo actually. And nag-enjoy ba kayo? Can I get a press one? Can I see if you guys enjoyed? There will be more to offer on my next stream. And of course, pabagsak na ng pahabol ng gifts dyan if you enjoyed my stream, to share the love and the support. And of course, I really had so much fun. To everyone here, it has been a pleasure sharing my story with you. Ang dami ko pang kadugyutan and real talks and some a bit of tea about myself, and sharing my stories about how I slowly became confident and in my own skin. I'm ready to share that with you guys. And of course, I'm ready to inspire you and to tell you guys that you are not alone. I am a reminder na hindi kayo nag-iisa. And of course, I hope sana there's more out there who got inspired to do something unique, something fun, something authentic. And of course, this afternoon. So, salamat sa ating very generous gifters. I really appreciate, guys. Sobrang appreciate ko kahit mapapalo-halo pa yan. And if you still want to support me in some more, we can empower women and redefine sexy on Star Magic Slay. Abangan niyo ulit ako this Friday from 4:45 to 5 p.m. as I campaign with the other Slay women and our cover girl, Miss Alexa Ilacad. At para sa mga gustong makabawi, you can still help me by sending me stars on Facebook and of course by voting me on the ktx.ph. At para sa mga gustong ayun na nga guys, I already said that. But anyways, maraming salamat sa support mga Mara. I really love you all. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, guys. And of course, thank you for spending your hot Tuesday afternoon with me. Once again, I am Tamara Alexandria, and I am ready to slay. Goodbye, everyone. Sana masarap ulam nyo. Bye, everyone. God bless. Slay the day and keep on going, my friends. Bye, guys. And of course, I'll thank my top gifters. Tazi, thank you. Bless214, RMT Siege, Miriam Sky, Tamzak Films, Hugs and Kisses, 21091, Pink Nana, J Ponzi, Cody Otikbon, Miss Dea G, and Tamzak Official, Team Tamara, Judy Ann, Boroktoy, Sir Kuya Ron, Ayag Dimad, Caps Lock, Numlock, Tamara Fan, Ange, hello, I'm Lexi Season. Maraming salamat, guys. Sana masarap ulam nyo this dinner, and I hope to see you soon on my next stream here on the Star Magic